E equals MC squared. Oh, hello there, and welcome. Today we're going to continue on the topic of silver with our special guest all the way back from ancient times. Wow, this jacket makes my shoulders look big. The man who discovered silver. Welcome, unknown, and nice to meet you. Take a seat. So we're just going to start off with some basic facts of silver, if that's all right with you.
Sure.
So the element name is obviously silver. The element symbol Ag, which came from, can you tell me where it came from, the Latin word, possibly?
Actually, it came from argentum.
Oh, wow. Learn something new every day, don't you? And the atomic... And the atomic number is 47, with the number of protons 47 again, and number of electrons also 47. So can you tell me the number of neutrons, since you really did discover the element silver?
I'm just going to take a guess and say 61.
Wow! You really do fascinate me. Now, the melting point, which really fascinates me, is it true that it's 961.78 degrees Celsius?
I highly doubt that.
Oh. And is it true that the boiling point is 2,212 degrees Celsius?
Wouldn't say that.
Oh. And the phase at room temperature, well, since you did discover it, can you tell me that?
Solid.
Wow, that's different from gas or liquid. Now, there are so many different words to describe silver, but I'm going to let you do that since you did discover silver. And just describe what the texture and what silver was like when you discovered it.
Okay, when I discovered it, it was soft and white. Obviously, it's a metal. And it had a shiny surface.
Oh, very fascinating. And, well, since this is before your time, we have came up with a periodic table of elements, which has all of these elements on it. Can you point out silver, maybe? With Ag, symbol Ag. And what type of metal is that?
Transition metal.
Wow, that's cool. Now let's move on over to how the name originated. It's an English name, and it originated from the word actually, can you pronounce that for me?
Sulfur.
Wow, you really know how to pronounce your words, don't you?
That's a good thing.
And it originated from the Old English word sulfur. And is this true? And maybe you could prove me wrong or something.
I doubt that's true, so...
Okay. Now, is it true that it's $120 per 100 grams?
Well, that's kind of close. You're like halfway right. It's $120 for 100 grams.
Oh, okay. Now let's just both flip-flop over on 7 common products or compounds used for this element.
Sure.
So since it's very very good conductor. Oh, that too. It's a very good conductor of heat and electricity. It's used for wires for film and photography. How about you name yours next?
As in compounds?
Yeah, let's name a compound. Why don't we?
Sure. Just off the top of my head. Silver chloride, silver bromide, silver iodide, and silver nitrate. Silverware.
Ha ha ha! I saw what you did there. That was clever.
Okay.
Now today, the common uses are jewelry, coins, and artwork. Is this true?
Nah.
Okay. And who discovered silver?
That's not a real question, right? Because before you just said I did. So.
I know. Unknown. I was just kidding. after this short break,